Ever feel like you're missing out on the next big thing in e-commerce? Like there's a secret vault of products just waiting to explode in popularity, and you haven't quite cracked the code to find it? You're not alone. In the fast-paced world of online retail, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Knowing what's trending can be the difference between a thriving online store and one that's struggling to keep up. Think about it. The internet is a vast marketplace, constantly evolving with new consumer demands and emerging trends. What was hot last year might be yesterday's news today. That's why platforms like Oberlo, which connects entrepreneurs with dropshipping suppliers, are invaluable resources. They provide a real-time pulse on what's gaining traction in the market. So, the burning question is, what are the absolute hottest trending products on Oberlo this year? What items are seeing a surge in demand, capturing the attention of online shoppers, and presenting a golden opportunity for e-commerce businesses? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Oberlo marketplace to uncover the top trending products of 2025 so far. We'll explore why these items are gaining popularity, what makes them stand out, and most importantly, how you can potentially leverage these trends to boost your own online success. Get ready to discover some exciting product niches and perhaps even find the next winning item for your store. Let's get started. One category that continues to show strong performance and significant upward trajectory on Oberlo is the realm of home organization and improvement. With more people spending time at home, the desire to create functional, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing living spaces has intensified. This trend isn't just a fleeting pandemic-era phenomenon. It reflects a longer-term shift towards prioritizing the home environment. Within this category, several specific types of products are particularly noteworthy. Smart storage solutions are consistently popular. Think about modular organizers for closets, underbed storage containers, space-saving kitchen racks, and multifunctional furniture with built-in storage. These items address a universal need for decluttering and maximizing limited space, appealing to a broad audience from apartment dwellers to homeowners. The appeal lies in their practicality and ability to bring order to often chaotic areas. Another trending segment within home improvement is DIY and crafting supplies. The rise of the maker movement and the increasing interest in personalized home decor have fueled demand for items like high-quality art supplies, unique crafting kits, think resin art, macrame, or candle making, and tools for small home repair projects. People are not only looking to improve their homes but also to engage in creative activities and express their individuality through their living spaces. Furthermore, eco-friendly and sustainable home goods are gaining significant traction. Consumers are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact and are actively seeking out products made from sustainable materials, reusable alternatives to single-use items, like beeswax wraps or reusable food containers, and energy-efficient home gadgets. This trend reflects a growing societal awareness and a desire to make more responsible purchasing decisions. Moving beyond the home, the pet care industry remains a consistently strong performer, and Oberlo data indicates a continued surge in demand for innovative pet-related products. Pet ownership has seen a significant rise in recent years, and owners are increasingly willing to invest in their furry, scaled, or feathered companions. One prominent trend within pet care is the popularity of interactive and enrichment toys. These aren't just your standard squeaky toys. They include puzzle feeders, treat dispensing balls, and toys designed to stimulate a pet's mind and prevent boredom. As pet owners become more attuned to their animal's mental well-being, the demand for products that offer mental stimulation continues to grow. Another area of interest is pet tech. This encompasses a wide range of products, from smart feeders and automatic water dispensers to GPS trackers and even pet cameras that allow owners to monitor their animals remotely. The convenience and peace of mind offered by these technological solutions make them highly appealing to busy pet parents. Finally, the focus on pet health and wellness is driving demand for items like organic pet treats, supplements designed for specific health needs, like joint support or anxiety relief, and comfortable and supportive bedding. Just like human health and wellness, pet owners are increasingly prioritizing the long-term well-being of their animals. The beauty and personal care niche is another dynamic and ever-evolving category on Oberlo, consistently revealing new trends. In 2025, a significant focus is on sustainable and natural beauty products. This aligns with the broader consumer trend towards eco-consciousness and a desire for products with fewer synthetic ingredients. This includes items like organic skincare products, refillable cosmetic containers, bamboo toothbrushes, and package-free soaps and shampoos. Consumers are increasingly scrutinizing ingredient lists and seeking out brands that prioritize transparency and environmental responsibility. Another strong trend within beauty is the rise of multifunctional beauty tools and devices. Think about facial cleansing brushes with interchangeable heads for different treatments, LED therapy masks for at-home skincare, and hair styling tools that offer multiple functions in one. These products appeal to consumers looking for efficiency and value in their beauty routines. Furthermore, the self-care and wellness movement continues to influence beauty trends. This translates to increased demand for products that promote relaxation and well-being, such as aromatherapy diffusers, bath soaks made with natural ingredients, and facial rollers for massage and lymphatic drainage. Beauty is increasingly seen as an integral part of overall self-care. Finally, the accessories market on Oberlo is also showcasing some interesting trends. One notable area is the continued popularity of personalized and customizable jewelry. This includes necklaces with initials, bracelets with engraved messages, and rings that can be customized with birthstones. Personalized items offer a sense of individuality and make for thoughtful gifts. Another trending accessory category is tech-integrated accessories. Think about smartwatches with health tracking features, stylish phone cases with built-in wallets, and even fashionable bags with charging ports. As technology becomes more integrated into our daily lives, accessories that seamlessly blend style and functionality are gaining popularity. Finally, sustainable and ethically sourced accessories are also on the rise. This includes jewelry made from recycled materials, bags crafted by fair trade artisans, and scarves made from organic fabrics. Just like in the beauty industry, consumers are increasingly considering the ethical and environmental impact of their fashion choices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.